Thinking about switching to solar, but is it the right time?
Definitely. This is the perfect time. Extreme weather is on the rise. With solar and battery storage, you will always have power, no matter what. Save big by using stored energy during peak hours when bills are skyrocketing.
But what about cost?
It depends on your system size, energy needs, local incentives, like 30% FTC. Net metering or SREC programs help to offset huge upfront costs. Also, solar prices are dropping nowadays too. And if you can't afford to buy solar system, a good solar installer can offer you flexible financing option like solar loans. But don't forget about rebates and incentives. They rate time sensitive, so acting early it can save you a lot. You can even charge your electric vehicle directly from your solar. Plus, new tech like solid-state batteries is making everything more efficient and affordable.
You've convinced me. I'm going solar.
You will not regret it. Save money. Help the planet. Contact solarSME, a top-rated local solar installer offering affordable and tailored solar solutions.